Alright, welcome back. If you saw part 1, you already know things did not go great. Cheap tools betrayed me, flux was missing, and I almost discovered fire the hard way. But today is the redemption arc. First, I fixed the soldering. Yes, the same soldering that humiliated me last time. This time, I had flux. And suddenly, the solder worked. Crazy how using the right tool fixes the problem. Pads clean, joints shiny, no blobs. Character development. Next up, the ELRS receiver. This part always looks easy in YouTube videos, which is how you know it's not. Tiny wires, tiny pads, hands shaking like I drank 6 coffees. But it worked. No sparks, no smoke, no emotional damage. Then I connected the flight controller to the ESC. This is where things usually go wrong. They did not. At this point, I'm suspicious. And finally, the VTX. Mounted clean, wired correctly. No crossed wires, no mystery smoke. I don't recognize this version of myself. So yeah, part 2 was different. Things actually worked. Turns out learning from mistakes is overpowered. If you're building your first FPV drone right now, trust me, it gets better. Eventually. Now, about part 3. I was going to install the camera, but it hasn't shipped yet. So part 3 is delayed by logistics, not incompetence, which honestly feels like progress. In part 3, once the camera finally arrives, camera install, first power up, and hopefully, flight. Or smoke. We'll see. If you enjoyed watching me slowly become less terrible at this, drop a like. And if you've ever messed up a build before, tell me your worst fail in the comments so I don't feel alone. I'll see you in part 3.